Hello and welcome to an amazing Hostinger coupon code video. In this video, I'll be relieving two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get amazing discount with Hostinger. So guys, what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description, which will land you to our discounted page. Now here you can use two of the finest coupon codes. So I will do a step-by-step tutorial on how you can use it and how you can get further discount with this amazing coupon code. So now to get the coupon, first thing is click on the link in the description. Now I will reveal a step-by-step procedure video. So guys, here you are landed. You can see about Hostinger. There are few things which are very good about Hostinger, such as their reviews are very good. Now their three popular plans are simply amazing, but this coupon gonna work with any plan you're gonna choose. You can even select hosting and select for any other plan, because this coupon is designed for any plan. I have specially gathered it for my audience. Now do your research on the plans. Even these three plans are very good. You're getting almost everything. You do not need to offer hosting or select other plans, but you can also offer other plans as well. Now if you ask me which what I like about hosting is the option of a daily or weekly backup, which is very good because my data is very important. So that is why I like this. The second option of having SSD or NVMe storage is also very good add-on. With hosting, you have an option of unlimited bandwidth, and then you are getting increased performance, managed WordPress, one-click WordPress installation. They also provide you automatic website migration in case they're coming from another hosting company. The procedure is quick and easy. Now hosting a website builder is also very good. Make websites as easy within 5 seconds. So that is a very good add-on. Now you can see the security features are also just amazing with DDoS protection and a lot of other security features, plus 30 days money back guarantee, 99.9% uptime guarantee. And now they have data centers all around in the world. Now to buy, before you buy or the hosting from Hostinger, you're going to use this coupon code. I wanted to say that they also have a maximized website speed with the light speed website technology, which is also a very good add-on. Then you are getting 24/7 support. Currently more than 2 million people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company. Now the coupon is very easy. Simply select any plan. Let's say we are going with this plan. Now simply select that to cart with this. Now you can find these two coupon codes which I'm going to show you in front of you. You can find along with a special discount link are being mentioned in the description of this video. Now you can see over here. Now choose your billing period. If you ask me, the 48 months is a bargain where you're saving the most amount of money. My recommendation is to go with the 48 months to use this coupon, because here you can see maximum discount, but again you can opt according to your budget. Once you select your billing period, scroll below, write your email ID over here or synchronize with the Google or Facebook account. Once you do it, select your payment method to use the coupon code. Now you can select any according to your preference, then write your billing details over here. You can see that the price is already discounted because you picked on the discount link. Now to use the coupon, simply select the have a coupon code and write this coupon code. You can find this coupon in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply select the apply button and you're going to see that a price which was already discounted got a further discount. Now there is another coupon code as well which you can use. It is with the name of HR10. You can also use this coupon to get amazing discount. Now once I have used this coupon, you can see the price also got a further discount. So if you are looking to buy hosting from Hostinger, make sure to click on the link in the description, plus use this either coupon codes. These are one-time limited time deals, so make sure to enjoy your hosting with Hostinger. So good luck with your hosting.